One great concept that I've learned through the Breathe for Change program is visualization, and it's something that works for any student, kindergarten through high school, even adults. So something that I like to do with my students that are getting ready for a big test is help them visualize. This is what that looks like. Okay, everybody, go ahead and take a deep breath, and I want you to get comfortable in your chair. Go ahead and rock back and forth on those sit bones until you find a comfortable spot. I want you to sit up tall and go ahead and roll those shoulders back. Take a deep breath in, soften your gaze, or close your eyes if that feels comfortable to you. And I want you to visualize yourself taking this next test. I want you to visualize opening the test booklet with your pencil in hand. And I want you to think about all of the studying that you've done, how confident you are in those studies. And remember looking at the pages when you studied and thinking about how the information on the pages that you studied matches up with the test. Visualize yourself completing that test. Think about that feeling of success when you turn it in. Now I'd like you to take a deep breath in and out. Come back to us, open your eyes, and I want you to hang on to that idea, that feeling of confidence and success. And I think you are all going to do great on today's test. Thank you.